The Texas Supreme Court is now weighing in on a legal fight over Project Connect. Voters approved that transit overhaul nearly 6 years ago.
And while this ruling has more to do with procedural issues in this lawsuit, KVUE's Daniel Perot shows us that this could create more bumps in the road for this long-awaited project.
New legal and political challenges threatening to derail Austin's effort to revamp public transit and cut down on traffic in this booming city.
This project has been off the rails, so to speak, since the very beginning.
Since it was approved in 2020, the scale of Project Connect has shrunk and costs have gone up. Attorney Bill Elshire represents a group that sued over the plans.
We're in a mess with Project Connect in Austin now because they are proceeding on with a risk that they won't get federal funding, that they won't be able to issue bonds.
As of now, the plan is for the light rail system to have 15 stations along a nearly 10-mile stretch, with trains coming every 5 to 10 minutes. But the reality is, so far, not a single foot of light rail track has been laid down. As the scale of the project has shrunk and the costs have grown, for some Austinites, doubt has crept in.
Project Connect is an illegal, inefficient, unaffordable, catastrophic mistake.
The Texas Supreme Court ruled Friday that a district court judge wrongly ignored a motion filed by the state at the urging of City and Austin Transit Partnership lawyers, challenging whether that judge had jurisdiction to hear the case.
You can't pocket veto it like what occurred in this case. And so today the Supreme Court ordered Judge Shepard to sign an order, one way or the other, on the Attorney General's motion.
Leaders with Austin's Transit Partnership have argued the light rail system is necessary to give Austinites more options to get around as the area grows.
Transit is better for affordability. It's better for reducing greenhouse gases. It's better for making a safer community for all of us.
With the legal fight over the project funding headed back to court, ATP says it hopes to break ground on the light rail system next year. It won't be ready for riders until at least 2033.
We can't sit back and just have them go spend tens of millions or billions of dollars before a court determines whether it's even legal.
In Austin, Daniel Perot, KVUE News.